It's the final harvest of the season and I'm inspired to make a tomato soup. Basil, fresh leeks, and some chives will all go into the soup. Using fresh tomatoes, I core and seed them and then sauteed in olive oil the leeks, some garlic, and then we add the tomatoes, a sprinkle of salt, and let them sweat. Once they have released their juice, I add some cubed bread. I'm using crystal buns today, and the bread will break down and create a creaminess in this soup. After a buzz in the blender, it's all pureed. I add some chicken stock to clean out the blender right into the soup and let it simmer. And it's ready to plate. Drizzle with some olive oil or a little cream, or kick it up a notch and make an inverted grilled cheese. So delicious, open-faced, crispy on the top. You just lay that right on top of your soup, kind of like French onion soup style, only easier and you don't need to broil it.